So how long have you had the bike?
I've had it for 20 years.
20 years, blimey. And you came across it by how?
It was at the back of my workbench at Norton.
Oh, so you used to work at Norton then?
Yes.
So working on what sort of bikes?
On the Wankles.
On the Wankles only?
Building rectification road test.
Oh, right. So you was in it right from the word go then, basically.
Yeah.
How many did they build roughly?
About 1,000.
And the police had quite a few, didn't they?
400 to 500.
Blimey, I didn't realise they had that many. Yeah. So come on, let's see it go. So it's got a carburettor.
Yeah, 2 SUs.
2 SUs, one there. And it revs up to
About 9.5.
about 9,500.
Yeah.
And it's done 56,000.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's pretty reliable then.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Gonna stop it?
As long as you stop it.
Yeah. So what sort of oil do you use in it?
Rotella, Shell Rotella.
Yeah. And do you have to do what maintenance wise?
Nothing much because it's a totally enclosed chain. As long as I put oil in it because it's total loss.
Right.
And fuel.
Yeah.
And that's about it really.
How many spark plugs?
2.
2 spark plugs.
1 per chamber.
Right. Oh, so it's a twin rotor one then?
Yes.
Are the rotors timed together or is it 580 degrees?
180 degrees.
Right.
But this engine runs backwards because it's got a Yamaha gearbox.
Right.
The originals ran forward.
Right.
Because the main shaft and output shaft are on the same axis, but this is different. It's Japanese gearbox, so it's got 2 shafts.
Right. So you've got an input.
So I realise you have to have the engine running backwards.
Yeah. And it's obviously liquid cooled.
This one is, yeah.
Yeah. That's an interesting animal, as they say.
Yes.
Yeah.
They are gone.
And what's it like on fuel?
Oh, average 45 to the gallon.
Oh.
And you don't thrash it. If you thrash it, it'll come down.
Does it have a power band or?
No, it's quite linear.
Right, so it's torquey quite low down as well.
This is an F1 engine.
Right.
But it's got, I've changed the housings, so it's more of a tourer housing.
Right.
Smaller ports, so better torque.
So it's a softer tune, state of tune.
It's more linear.
Right, yeah.
Yeah.
And what spares do you carry for it? Do you have got much?
I've got a garage full.
You got...
Well, I've got a lot of spares, but it doesn't need them. It just keeps running.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the tips on the rotor on this, what are they made of on this one?
Oh, I don't really know. They're high tech.
Right.
They're hardened steel.
Yeah. Oh, amazing.
Side seal. It's not running now, is it?
Yeah.
Side seals are cast iron.
Right.
It's quite a complex thing to make. Costs a lot of money.
And I suppose you have to be very careful on the air filtration as well. You don't
It's just got 2 standard air filters.
Oh, so there's nothing special to stop any...
I mean, the real advantage of these is in the aero engines, not bikes at all.
Yeah.
They didn't make any money on the bikes. It's the aero engines that make the money, the drones.
Right, yeah. And of course, they didn't have to last that long, did they?
No, but some of them are, the Israelis use them, the twins, these.
Yeah.
Big things, £50,000 a throw. And they're long lasting.
Yeah.
Some have put them in planes.
Yeah. Anyhow, thank you very much.
It's not going on the bloody World Wide Web, is it?
Eventually.
Because my twin will get embarrassed if he reads this.
No, he won't. Right. Very nice. There's lots of Yamaha bits. As you can see, the clutch slave cylinders Yamaha. The gearbox is Yamaha. Lots of the switch gear. And the clocks. The brakes. What could have been if they'd have only pursued it and other things hadn't come along. A proper motorcyclist keeping his gloves warm on the engine.
You tell her he's got an air cooled as well?
Yeah. Right, take care.